What's up, everybody? We are here today at CowTown Brewery Company in Fort Worth, Texas. One of the partners of Panther City Lacrosse Club and home to a wide selection of craft beers made here in Fort Worth, Texas. Let's go in and take a look.
Set up minutes from Sundance Square in downtown Fort Worth, CowTown Brewery offers a wide selection of draft beers made right here in their tap room. Inside their air-conditioned tap room, you can enjoy their wide selection, and they even have a patio where you can listen to live music and even some Panther City meet and greets.
So CowTown Brewery offers a flight that you can buy from them where you can taste test any four of their craft beer. Like I said, they have a huge selection, so it's good to try a little bit of each one sometime. Right here we have the Highbrow, the Odell, Horse, and Lucky Jack. It's just a good spectrum of the different flavors and what they offer here at CowTown Brewery.
Overall, I think CowTown Brewery offers a great experience, somewhere where you can try a whole line of their craft beers, some great food, and offers you an opportunity to hang out with friends, family, and have a good time.
Be sure to check out CowTown Brewery Company here at 1301 East Belcamp Street in Fort Worth, Texas.